how much should you actually spend on a professional airless paint sprayer? Because some people are happy buying the cheaper ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Graco Magnum X5. First off, we have the Graco Magnum 262,800 X5 stand airless paint sprayer. Priced at about $272, it caught my eye because it's got solid ratings, 4.6 stars from over 6,700 reviews. If you want a reliable sprayer that gives you flexibility and power for larger projects, this is worth a serious look. This means you can spray unthinned paints or stains at any pressure you need, which is a huge time saver. Plus, it can handle up to 10 gallons for your projects, so say goodbye to multiple trips to the store. With a 300-inch hose, it allows you to reach high spots without losing performance. This matters because it gives you the freedom to tackle big jobs without hassle. Now, some users found that the assembly can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the performance is generally worth it. If you're someone who prefers a straightforward experience from the start, that could be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a remodeler looking to step up your game. But if you need something super lightweight and portable, you might want to keep looking. For the price, it definitely delivers good value for serious projects. Now, if the assembly issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ma X-Spray M1. Next up is the Ma X-Spray M1 airless paint sprayer, priced at about $224.99. What really caught my attention is how beginner-friendly it claims to be, yet it still gets solid reviews with a 4.4-star rating from 702 users. If you're looking for something that blends simplicity with efficiency, this one's worth checking out. This means you can jump right in and start painting without any pre-work. Plus, the Auto Max airless spray tip ensures smooth coatings with minimal overspray. This is great because it saves you paint and reduces cleanup time. The included accessories like the 12-inch tip extension and anti-fog goggles also help make the process more comfortable and safe. But I have to be honest, some users mention that the durability isn't top-notch. Here's the thing though, for DIY projects, it holds up pretty well if you're not overly rough with it. If you're planning on heavy-duty use, you might want to consider that. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY homeowner wanting to upgrade your painting game, but if you're a pro looking for industrial-strength reliability, you might want to skip this one. It offers great value for casual projects. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize speed and efficiency. Product number 3. VEVOR 750W. Now, we have the VEVOR 750W stand airless paint sprayer, priced at around $159.90. This one really surprised me with its powerful 750W motor, which can deliver up to 3,000 psi. If you want something that speeds up your painting tasks, this is worth considering. That's huge if you've got a big area to cover. The uniform painting effect is made possible by its fan-shaped atomization technology, which means fewer clogs and a more even finish. For someone who hates the hassle of constant setup and cleanup, this could be a lifesaver. However, some users have reported that it's a bit heavy to maneuver. Here's the thing, if you're only doing small touch-ups, that extra weight could be frustrating. But for larger projects, the speed and efficiency outweigh this downside. This is perfect for you if you've got medium to large painting tasks and need to get them done quickly. But if you're looking for a lightweight option for detailed work, this might not be the best fit for you. Overall, it offers solid performance for the price. Now, if you want something that's a little more professional in nature, check this next one out. Product number 4, Graco Pro X19. Next, we have the Graco 17G180 Magnum Pro X19 cart paint sprayer, priced at a hefty $748.99. It has a 4.7-star rating from 1,000 reviews, which shows it's well-loved. If you need a serious sprayer for big jobs, this is worth your time. The RAC-IV switch tip is a nifty feature that lets you reverse the tip when it clogs, keeping your workflow smooth. It can handle up to 500 gallons a year, which is impressive for rental properties or large interiors. This is crucial for professionals who can't afford downtime. Now, some people found it a bit bulky and heavy, especially when moving it around. Here's my take: while it is not the easiest to transport, the quality and capabilities you get make it a worthwhile investment if you're tackling large-scale projects. This is perfect for you if you're a professional contractor or serious DIYer who needs something reliable for multiple big jobs. But if you're just trying to paint a small room, you might want to skip this one. The investment is justified for the power and durability you get. Alright, that was a heavy-duty option. But the last one on this list is a fantastic all-around choice that balances price and performance. Product number 5, Graco X7. Finally, we have the Graco Magnum 262805 X7 Cart Airless Paint Sprayer, which holds a solid 4.7 stars from 4,100 reviews but doesn't have a listed price. What caught my attention here is its versatility for both DIY and professional projects. If you want something that can handle a variety of tasks, this could be the right pick. The flexible suction tube is another gem, letting you spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon bucket. This is great for larger projects as it means fewer interruptions to refill your paint supply. Plus, it supports up to 100 feet of hose, making it ideal for multi-story homes. However, some users mentioned it requires frequent cleaning to maintain performance. Here's the deal: while that might be a bit of a hassle, it's a small price to pay for the quality and flexibility you get in return. This is ideal for you if you're a serious DIYer or a professional who needs an adaptable tool for various projects. But if you want something low maintenance, you might want to consider other options. For the performance and features, it's definitely value for money. So to wrap it all up, we've covered the Graco Magnum X5, the Ma X-Spray M1, the VEVOR 750W, the Graco Pro X19, and the Graco X7. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, catering to different needs, whether you're a DIYer or a professional. Choose one that fits your specific requirements and you'll be set for your next painting project.